Is this the grumpiest yet cutest cat there is? Meet the Pallas's cat, possibly the fluffiest and sassiest feline you've never heard of. This cat isn't lazy either, it's built for stealth. While other cats stalk their prey in the open, the Pallas's cat crawls through the grass like a fuzzy ninja. And those half-closed eyes? They're not judging you. Well, okay, maybe a little, but they're also built different. Unlike other cats, their pupils stay round, perfect for scanning open terrain and spotting dinner. They may look like grumpy masters of the wild, but deep down they're just awkward little weirdos trying to survive.